everyone, this is When in Manila Vivian and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Manila Food Edition. Today we will be unboxing this huge DIY milk tea kit from Craft Your Own or CYO Milk Tea. This box actually contains kits for 3 milk tea variants. Let's see what's inside. Here are packs of full leaf teas, black tea and green tea. There's a pack of Thai milk tea. Here's some DIY pudding powder for you to make your own pudding. There's 1 kilo of uncooked boba. There's a mini jug of brown sugar syrup and Taiwanese honey syrup. Here's a bunch of thick straws and the instruction sheets. There are 4 drink recipes included in this kit. But for this video, we'll do just 2. Brown sugar boba milk tea and honey pudding milk tea. Let's make drinks! First, we'll prepare our DIY pudding. In a bowl, we're putting hot water. And we're opening the pack of pudding powder. Here's what it looks like inside. We're pouring it into the bowl of hot water and mixing it completely. That's done. Now we have to let it cool in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes. While that's happening, let's brew our tea. I'll use black tea for our recipes today. According to the instructions, we have to use 2 tablespoons of tea with 1 cup of hot water. You can just use a glass or a pot to brew your tea, but I'm using a French press to make it easier. We'll let that sit and brew for a while. And we're back with our chilled pudding. It still looks like liquid, but I really hope it's firm. We've got a glass here and moment of truth. The pudding is ready. Add that to our glass. And then we're adding some Taiwanese honey syrup. Di naman sinabi kung gaano karami ang dapat ilagay. So, best judgment na lang. Then, half a cup of milk. And half a cup of our brewed black tea. We'll add some ice, and that's it! Our DIY honey pudding milk tea. Next, we'll try to recreate the famous brown sugar boba milk tea. I already cooked the boba earlier because it takes a lot of time. We already have our glass, and we're lining it with some brown sugar syrup. Hindi rin naman sinabi kung gaano karami ang dapat ilagay. Pero tandaan, ang lahat ng sobra ay masama. Sana hindi to sobra. And then we're adding the boba. Some milk. And our brewed black tea. Add some ice. And we're done! Our DIY brown sugar boba milk tea thanks to CYO. Thanks to this DIY milk tea kit from Craft Your Own, you won't have to leave your house just to satisfy your milk tea cravings. You can have it fresh anytime you want it. What other food kit should we unbox next? Share it with us in the comments below.